Keywords are not just words, they are signals, and understanding what those signals mean is what separates sites that rank from sites that just exist. I'm Mariana, and this is episode 2 of the SEO in Action Free series. Here's something most people get wrong from the start. They pick a keyword, let's say SEO, and try to rank for it. But SEO means completely different things depending on who's searching. Someone typing "what is SEO" wants a beginner's guide. That's informational. Someone typing "SEMrush SEO tool" is looking for a specific brand, which is navigational. And you cannot compete with that unless you are the brand. Buy SEO ebook. That person is ready to take action right now, meaning transactional. And your product page should be answering that. And Best SEO Tools 2025, Investigational. They are comparing options before they decide. Google knows the difference between all 4 of these. Now, let's talk about something nobody tells you when you're starting out. Even if you pick the right keyword with the right intent, you still need to ask, can my site actually compete for this? Look at these 3 keywords, SEO. Keyword difficulty 94 out of 100. You are competing against websites with domain authority in the 80s, thousands of backlinks, and years of history. A new site has no chance there. SEO for small business, and 52. Still competitive but possible with strong content and some domain credibility. SEO for florists in Bristol, 8. A new site with good content can rank for this. And here's the thing about ranking. It's not just about keyword difficulty. Look at these 5 factors: difficulty, your domain authority, content quality, search intent match, and page speed. A site with low domain authority can still rank if the intent match is high and the content is genuinely good. Those 2 factors can compensate. But no amount of content quality compensates for targeting a keyword that's 60 points above your domain strength. This is why I say choose your battles, because the strategy has to be realistic first. Now, this is probably my favorite thing to show people because it completely changes how they think about keywords. Watch what happens as we go from a broad keyword down to a specific one. SEO, 900,000 searches a month. Difficulty 94, basically impossible for most sites. SEO for beginners, still competitive, but we're getting more specific. SEO tips for small business owners, 480 searches a month. Difficulty 28, now we're talking. SEO for florists in Bristol, 90 searches a month. Difficulty 8. A new site with solid content can rank here within weeks. And here's the thing people always miss. 480 monthly visitors who are exactly your target customer. A florist in Bristol who wants help with their SEO. That is worth so much more than 900,000 impressions from a keyword you will never rank for. This is about choosing the right traffic. So before you write a single word, before you even open a Google Doc, there are 4 things I always check. First is the keyword in the title and the H1. Not forced, naturally placed. Google reads these as the 2 strongest on-page signals you have. Second, does the page type match what Google is already showing for this query? If Google shows listicles for your keyword and you write a product page, you're out of alignment before you start. Third, keyword variations and semantic terms. So this is not just the exact phrase, but the related language around the topic. Google recommended this explicitly in their guidelines. Fourth, check who's ranking. Use Google Search Console for what you already have, SEMrush for your competitors. Know what you're up against before you commit. And if you want a quick shortcut, I built a free SEO page audit tool that scores any page across 8 categories, including keyword signals, on-page, technical, and content quality. It shows you exactly what's working and what isn't with no account needed. So before anything goes live, run it through this checklist. Green, intent confirmed. Your page type matches what Google shows for this keyword. Keyword in the H1, meta title and description. Amber. Semantic keywords included. Competition is realistic. You check the difficulty against your current domain authority. Red, pages indexed. This one catches people out all the time. After publishing, go into Google Search Console and confirm it. No keyword stuffing. If the keyword sounds forced when you read it out loud, it probably is. As I write in the book, always avoid keyword stuffing. You want to help Google and users understand what the page is about, without over-optimizing it. That balance is the whole game. Choosing the right keyword is half the battle won. But it has to be the right keyword for the right intent at a difficulty your site can actually compete with, and validated before you spend hours writing content that might never rank. The full system, keyword research, intent, on-page, technical, off-page, and analytics, is all in the SEO in Action book. It's available as a PDF, on Kindle, and as a paperback, starting from $2.99. And if you want to start right now for free, the 14-day action plan and the SEO page audit tool are both waiting for you at your SEOebook.com. See you in episode 3.